Hey, how you doing guys? Steve here, I hope you are all doing well. And as you probably guessed from the title of this video, today I'm going to be putting some iPhone XS Max cases to the test by doing some real world drop tests, as well as giving one away thanks to the guys over at Casetify. So let's not waste any more time and roll the intro. So my good friends over at Casetify got in touch recently as they wanted to collaborate on a video to help promote their new range of impact cases for the iPhone XS and XS Max. The impact cases are military grade protective cases with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech, an innovative shockproof material that helps make them 2x military grade drop proof. The Chi-Tech material is the rigid clear structure you can see here around the edge of the case. It makes the impact cases really tough and adds durability. It can also withstand high temperature transitions, although you're unlikely to ever really put that to the test. The cases can withstand drops of up to 6.6 feet, absorbing impacts from the drops entirely in the case and protecting the phone. The cases come in a variety of different styles and designs, including a clear one if you just want to show off your iPhone's design. But all of them are scratch resistant, which I'll be putting to the test in a minute, and are also the world's slimmest military grade protection cases, coming in at 10.5mm thin. On the front of the cases, there's a bezel to help protect the screen, and the cases have no issues when it comes to wireless charging. There's cutouts in all of the right places, and the buttons still feel nice and tactile. I've tried out a lot of Casetify products in the past, and the quality is always top notch, which is the same case here. Each product is made to order and hand inspected to keep quality control to the high standard they hold themselves to. But the question is, how protective can these actually be? Well, rather than doing crazy over-the-top drop tests, I thought I'd test the cases out with real-world scenarios. I've come up with 5 common ways people break their phones by dropping them to see how protective these cases really are. Thankfully, Casetify are so confident in their case's ability to absorb impacts that they sent over a brand new iPhone XS Max for me to put them to the test. First, I want to test out the retrieval fumble. I think everyone has done this. You know where you dig out your phone out of your pocket or purse, it slips out of your hand and comes crashing to the ground. So first I want to test dropping it from waist height. So after this first test, I'm not too worried about the body, but the screen was my main concern, which thankfully seems to have been protected by that lip. On the back it's absolutely fine, no scratches whatsoever. There's some scuffs on the corner where the case took the brunt of the impact, but nothing too major, and it's pretty hard to see on camera. The phone is functioning no problem. Another way I see a lot of people breaking their phones is when getting out of their car. For some reason, people keep their iPhones on their lap whilst driving, which you shouldn't by the way, but then forgetting about it and sending it flying when getting out of the car. Okay, so again, the back of the case is completely fine, not a single scratch, even though it's been slid across that tarmac at least 4 times. There's a little scuff to the top of the case, and the sides are all fine, and most importantly, the phone is perfectly fine as well. Next is the tabletop tumble. Keeping your phone on a table seems safe enough, that is until you realise how easy it is for someone to bump it and knock it to the ground. After those drops onto the stone floors in the kitchen, it's really going to test how well that case protects the screen, and there doesn't seem to be any additional scuffs on the case. 75% of Americans admit to using their phone in the bathroom. That's fine and dandy, but if you take your iPhone into the bathroom, you risk dropping it into the toilet. Yeah, I'm not trying that. The tub. Or the sink. Even after all of those drops, the case and the phone seems perfectly fine. Finally, it's the big one. If you're not vertically impaired like me, and you're the height of the average heavyweight boxer, what happens when you drop it from that height? After dropping it at 6.6 feet, which we measured out, the case and the phone are completely fine. There's some scuffing to the edges of the case, especially on top. See if we can get that in shot. But overall the phone is perfectly fine, not a scratch. These cases really are amazing. I wasn't too sure to begin with because the case just seemed too thin to offer much protection. But as we can see, thanks to the Casetify impact case, the phone is completely fine. Well, there you have it. The cases did their job extremely well and thankfully protected the iPhone XS Max. I don't know what I would have done if I broke another phone. Casetify also want to give you the chance to win a brand new 64GB iPhone XS Max in gold, along with a bundled pack of their best-selling cases and a credit to the winner so they can create their own customised cases. For a chance of winning, check out the Gleam link in the description down below, where you'll find a number of different ways to enter, including subscribing to the channel and following Casetify on Facebook. The competition will run for 2 weeks, as I want to give everyone a fair chance of seeing this video and entering, and will end on the 16th of November. Unfortunately, this competition is only open to those in the US. Also, if you'd like to just pick up a case or customise your own, I'll leave a link in the description down below to their website. Well, that is it for this video, but I'd like to give a huge thank you to the guys over at Casetify for sponsoring this giveaway and for allowing us to put their impact cases to the test. They're absolutely awesome cases and Casetify is a great brand in general, so make sure to show them some love. Leander is also running an iPhone XR giveaway on the channel, so make sure to go and check that out. Before I go, I want to say thank you to each and every viewer and subscriber over the years, everyone who supported the channel, as this will be my last ever video for Cult of Mac. So it's really nice to go out with a big giveaway. I'd also like to thank Cult of Mac for giving me this opportunity. I've absolutely loved running the channel over the past couple of years, and I wish them all the best in the future. If you guys haven't had enough of me yet, which I don't know how you wouldn't have, I'll make sure to leave links in the description down below to my personal YouTube channel, my Twitter and my Instagram, so you can follow me on there. Well, for the final time, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to hit 100k before I go, and I'll catch you in the next one.